Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to fix LG ThinQ app not working. So in order to fix your issue, first of all launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm gonna launch Google Play Store. Now once you come here, go ahead and tap on the option of search at the bottom right corner. Now go to the search bar on top. Then search for LG ThinQ. Tap on the application on top. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that your LG ThinQ app is updated to its latest version. Once you update the application, there will be fixation of bug issues and app errors. Now another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that open settings on your mobile devices. From here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on the category of apps. From here, go to the search bar and you can search for LG ThinQ. Here we go. From here, scroll down below and tap on storage. Now, over here at the bottom, you'll see the option of clear cache. If you tap on it, your app issue will be fixed. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.